My name is Hema Sampath. I'm a practicing counseling psychologist. I have a clinic which is called Regenerating Lives, catered in BTM, Bangalore. So, what is PTSD? Post traumatic stress disorder. It can be divided into two areas: post traumatic and the stress which caused because of the trauma which the person need to go through. It is also indicating that it is post the traumatic situation. So what are the traumatic situation in anybody's life which can happen in their system? So the trauma could be a loss, a trauma could be a sickness, a trauma could be an abuse, a trauma could be a sudden loss or a death. So, all these things, it could also be sometimes natural calamities like tsunamis, flood, all these things also can cause certain kind of loss in any normal human being life. If that could have happened in childhood, that would be a deeper stress for the rest of their lives if it is not addressed appropriately at that young age itself. So, this PTSD can be well treated by CBT. So, a CBT is general therapy, the most common famous therapy, which is called CBT, nothing but cognitive behavioral therapy. So, what is cognitive here? That whatever which has been causing these kind of memories or the thoughts which is being believed by that human being, which is get stored in our brain, those thoughts are causing certain behavioral traumas, behavioral issues in those child or as an adult. So this mindset which caused because of the thought or the experience can be changed, and their behavior can be changed by the therapy, that is nothing but counseling. So this is being very famously called as CBT. So this PTSD can also be treated by CBT, and people can overcome the stress, people can overcome the trauma and lead a normal life post the therapy.